I'm Saba. I'm mother of 2 boys living here in Dubai. Today I'm going to be showing you a very simple recipe which is full of protein, some carbs and greens. So let's get started with the marinade. I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. You can use a bit more if you like the taste to be stronger. 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to be using a little drizzle of olive oil which will give it a nice brown texture. Now we're going to let it marinate for 45 minutes to an hour. Let all the flavors sink in, and then we're going to roast it in the toaster oven. Now that the chicken is ready, I'm going to put it in the toaster oven. We're going to cook the chicken for 25 minutes at 210 degrees. While the chicken is getting cooked in the oven, I'm going to be cooking some rice with peas. I'm going to put 1 cup of washed rice. You can use long grain rice, half a cup of frozen peas, and you would need half teaspoon of salt just for the taste. Now I'm going to add 1.5 cup of water for 1 cup of rice. All you need to do is cover the lid and switch the button to cook. Now the chicken and rice will be ready in just a couple of minutes. Now the chicken is ready. I'm going to take it out. Now the rice is ready and I'm going to plate it with the chicken. And here you have it, guys, a really well balanced meal. You have all your carbs, your protein and your greens. And there you go, guys, your whole roast chicken with rice and peas.